Hello there, tech aficionados. Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for the latest and greatest in the world of gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got something truly exciting to unbox and explore: the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 with its all-new Slim S Pen case. Get ready for a glimpse into the future of smartphones. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The latest innovation from the tech giant that's redefining the smartphone experience. With its sleek form factor and groundbreaking features, it's about to change the game. But that's not all. The star of the show today is the Slim S Pen case that comes with it. This case is more than just protection, it's a game changer. Not only does it keep your phone safe, but it also houses the all-new, slimmer S Pen, which is a marvel of precision and convenience. Now, let's talk style. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 Slim S Pen case is available in a range of vibrant colors. It's not just practical, it's a fashion statement. Express yourself while keeping your S Pen at the ready. Here's something that sets this case apart: it's eco-conscious. Samsung is making strides in sustainability. A portion of this case is crafted from post-consumer recycled materials, showing a commitment to our planet's well-being. It's protection with a purpose. Now, let's put that S Pen to the test. With the built-in S Pen, you're just a button press away from precision writing and sketching. It's ready when you are and effortlessly slides back into place when you're done. The design of the Slim S Pen case offers more than just convenience, it gives you a perfect grip. It's designed to enhance your overall experience while maintaining a slim profile. To sum it up, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 with the Slim S Pen case is a game-changer in the world of smartphones. It's sleek, eco-conscious, and equipped with the mighty S Pen. If you're looking to up your smartphone game, this is the one to consider. Got questions about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 or the Slim S Pen case? Don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech marvels right here on Product Critique. Tech enthusiasts, that's a wrap for today's review. Stay tuned for more exciting tech adventures, unboxings, and reviews right here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay tech savvy and stay tuned.